Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best direction of solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the birdsnap MON solar panel, a compact and highly specialized option for nature enthusiasts. This solar panel is designed to work seamlessly with the birdsnap MON bird feeder camera and H53 hummingbird feeder, making it a niche option for bird lovers. One of its standout features is its Type-C charging interface and a generous 3-meter charging cord, allowing for flexible placement. With an IP65 waterproof rating, this panel is built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring uninterrupted power supply even during rainy days. The adjustable angle feature further enhances its utility by allowing you to position it perfectly to capture sunlight throughout the day. While the design is compact and lightweight, measuring just 5 by 3 by 1 inches and weighing only 6.7 ounces, it's not the most versatile option out there. Its tempered glass and aluminum construction are durable, but its low power output limits its use to specific devices like bird cameras and feeders. Performance-wise, it gets the job done, providing non-stop charging even under moderate cloudy conditions. However, it's not ideal for anything beyond its intended use case. The birdsnap MON solar panel is a great choice for bird enthusiasts looking for a reliable way to keep their feeder cameras powered. That said, it's not as versatile or powerful as the other options on this list. Pros include durability, weather resistance, and its tailored design for bird camera systems. On the downside, its limited compatibility and lower power output may not appeal to broader audiences. Coming in at number 4 is the Ecowitt WS85, a multifunctional outdoor weather sensor with a built-in solar panel. This product is more than just a solar panel. It's a complete weather monitoring solution. With features like a haptic rainfall sensor, ultrasonic wind speed sensor, and wind direction detection, it's perfect for gardeners, hobbyists, and weather enthusiasts. The solar panel powers the device, while its durable plastic construction and IP65 waterproof rating ensure it can withstand various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with the included mounting hardware, making it easy for users to set up. While the Ecowitt WS85 offers a lot in terms of functionality, it's not a standalone solar panel and requires pairing with Ecowitt consoles or gateways, sold separately, to fully utilize its capabilities. The data it collects can be uploaded to the Ecowitt cloud, making it a smart addition to any connected ecosystem. However, the reliance on additional hardware may be a drawback for some users. Performance-wise, it's accurate and reliable, making it an excellent choice for those who want to keep track of weather metrics while benefiting from solar power. The Ecowitt WS85 excels in its niche, offering a combination of solar power and weather monitoring. It's ideal for users who are already invested in the Ecowitt ecosystem or those looking to start a smart weather station setup. Pros include its multifunctionality, ease of installation, and weatherproof design. Cons include its dependence on additional hardware and its specialized use case, which might not appeal to users looking for a more general-purpose solar panel. At number 3, we have the BONI 2-pack 9-watt solar panels. This value-for-money option is perfect for those who need multiple panels for powering small devices. Each panel delivers a reliable 9-watt of power, which is sufficient for charging outdoor cameras, lights, and smartphones. The panels come with a 10-foot USB-C cable and a micro USB adapter, making them compatible with a wide range of devices. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included wall brackets and screws. These panels are IP65 waterproof and can operate in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for various environments. In terms of design, the BONI panels are lightweight and compact, making them easy to install and portable enough for outdoor use. Their ETFE encapsulation ensures durability and longevity, while the high-efficiency solar cells provide stable power even in less than ideal conditions. However, with a power output of just 9 watts per panel, These are best suited for smaller applications and may not meet the needs of users requiring higher wattage. Overall, the Bonide 2-pack 9-watt solar panels offer excellent value for money, especially for users needing multiple low-power panels. Pros include their durability, ease of installation, and wide compatibility. On the downside, their limited power output may not be sufficient for more demanding applications. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable option for small-scale solar needs, this is a solid choice. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the MARBERO Portable Solar Panel 30-watt. This foldable solar panel is designed for portability and versatility, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. With a high conversion efficiency of 23%, this panel ensures reliable power generation, even on cloudy days. It features multiple output ports including USB, QC 3.0, and USB-C, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The 10-in-1 adapter kit makes it compatible with a variety of solar generators and portable power stations. The design is compact and lightweight, resembling a 14-inch laptop when folded. At just 2.7 pounds, it's easy to carry around, and its durable Oxford cloth construction is both waterproof, IP65, and dust-resistant. The panel is ideal for camping trips, hiking, and other outdoor activities. However, while it excels in portability, its 30-watt output may fall short for heavier power requirements. The MARBERO Portable Solar Panel 30-watt is a fantastic option for those who need a portable and efficient solar solution. Its pros include high efficiency, lightweight design, and compatibility with multiple devices. On the flip side, its lower wattage and reliance on optimal sunlight conditions may limit its use for larger-scale applications. If you're an adventurer in need of a reliable power source, this is a great pick. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Renogy 100-watt solar panel N-type. This panel is a powerhouse, delivering 100 watts of energy with an impressive 25% conversion efficiency. Its advanced 16BB cell technology enhances performance and improves durability, reducing the risk of hot spots and hidden cracks. Designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, the panel features an IP65 rating, corrosion-resistant aluminum frames, and low-iron tempered glass, making it suitable for long-term outdoor use. Performance-wise, the Renogy 100-watt solar panel shines in high-temperature conditions thanks to its low-temperature coefficient. This makes it an excellent choice for regions with intense heat. The panel is versatile, working well for RVs, marine applications, and off-grid setups. Its low degradation rate ensures consistent performance over time, backed by a 25-year output warranty. In summary, the Renogy 100-watt solar panel is the best all-around option for those who need a high-efficiency, durable, and versatile solar solution. Pros include its superior efficiency, robust build quality, and long-term reliability. The only con is its slightly higher weight compared to smaller, less powerful panels. At $76.49, it offers exceptional value for its performance and durability, making it the best choice on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.